All right, here are examples from page 45. I'm going to do number 1 and number 2. Now, we do the same thing. We start with the ones. We pretend that this 4 down here in the tens place isn't even here yet. So we just work with the ones. So 3 times 4 is 12. I bring my 1 up top, bring my 2 down here. Then I move to my tens. 3 times 6 is 18, but I have to add this 1, so it's 19. I bring my 19 down here, okay? Now, I call it a Ghostbuster, but all it is a 0, just a placeholder, but sometimes Ghostbuster is easier to remember, okay? So I just do a little Ghostbuster sign, but it's just a 0. So I am done with this 3, and I am done with this 1. So I like to make sure that I cross those things out to make sure that I know I'm done with them, okay? So now I move over to my tens and I say 4 times 4 is 16. I carry my 1, bring my 6 down here. Then I move over. 4 times 6 is 24, plus 1 is 25. Now, I don't have anywhere to carry it, so I write 25 down here. And now I add my 2 numbers together. 2 plus 0 is 2. 9 plus 6 is 15. I still have to carry. Normal addition rules apply. And then 5 plus 1 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. And 2 plus 0 is 2. Now, this over here is just asking you what you multiplied. And what you really did is you did 64 times 3 to get this first line. And then what you did on top was 64 times 40. So that's all that means. If you have questions on this, we can go over it in the Zoom, but I really, really, really want you guys to memorize the process. Okay? So now, number 2, moving on over. So again, the same thing applies here. So what are we multiplying first? Well, first we're multiplying 571 times 8. So that's what we're going to do first. And then we're going to multiply 571 times 30. 30. And here we go. So remember, I pretend like that 3 is not even there yet. So 8 times 1 is 8. Then I move over to my tens. 8 times 7 is 56. I have to bring my 5 all the way over here, carry it up, and my 6 goes down here. Then 8 times 5 is 40, plus this 5, 45. No place to carry, so I write it down here. And then remember, I need my Ghostbuster. So I put my 0 here, or Ghostbuster, same thing, and I cross out this 5 up here that I carried, and I cross out the 8 because I'm done with it. Then I move over to my tens. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 7 is 21. Carry my 2, bring my 1 down here, and then 3 times, and then 3 times 5 is 15, plus 2 is 17. No place to carry, so I write my 17 down here. Now I add my numbers. 8 plus 0, 8. 6 plus 3, 9. 5 plus 1 is 6. 4 plus 7 is 11. And then 1 plus 1 is 2. 1, 2, 3, comma. My answer, 21,698.